And so far this is how the hair is looking, and I'm loving it, as you can see. So I'm just gonna take a hairspray.
Diamonds on fleek, bitch ain't talking about heat. Put it on screen.
Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Perfecter, and I'm back again with another video. And yeah, today we'll be doing a ponytail tutorial. And yeah, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. So what I'm actually doing here is combing out my hair, because I have to flat iron it before applying the gel. So yeah, that's the last part. Flat iron the hair, and yeah, just comb that out and keep combing it out when you're done. So yeah, I'm done with flat ironing my hair, and this is how it looks. So for this video, I'm going to be using this hair I got from Aliexpress. It's like a ponytail kind of weave, and I got this for I think €5 something. So this is how it looks, this is how it came. Obviously it's not human hair, it's synthetic, but it's I think it's kind of like nice though. And this is how the inner part looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks, and it has two clips at the both ends. It's a pretty nice weave. I don't even know what to call this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna brush this, and so you see how it really looks like. Right? I got the wrong color though, because like my hair at the tip is like blonde, like brown, and I'm just gonna fix it that way, because I don't know what to do. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is more like an alternative if you want to go out and your hair is not done or something. Like, you can just put on gel, do something on it, wear this as a ponytail. Like, it's a really good alternative. Like, I actually recommend. It's really nice. It's €5 or €4, I think. And yeah, so what I like to do first is to create a pattern. If you want, you could create a middle or a side pattern. You could also do without a pattern, depends on how you want the ponytail to look like. As for me, I'm creating a side pattern because that's how I want it to be, and I'm making this a C cut kind of pattern because I don't want it straight. So yeah, I'm just brushing that out, combing the hair so I know how it's gonna look like. Here I'm actually straightening my line because I suck at drawing lines. Yeah. So the next thing I'm putting on my hair is the hair mousse. You can actually get yours in any local beauty supply store around you. I got mine for €3. So I'm just applying that on my hair, as you can see. Actually, the hair mousse smoothens and softens your hair so as to make it easier for you to put on any other product like the gel or the hair cream. So I'm just using the brush to brush down my hair to make it smooth and soft. Just brush my hair, and it seems the C-cut pattern I drew was kind of rough, so I had to go back in and make that look better. So I just keep brushing and combing my hair, as you can see, because the secret to making a ponytail look really pretty on a short hair is actually combing and brushing at every single point, because with short hair the ponytail tends to get messier and look really rough. So what you want to do is always at every point comb and brush your hair. So the next thing I want to put on my hair is the gel. I also got this in a local beauty supply store around me, and I got it for I think €5. So I'm just putting that on my hair, and like I said, I just keep brushing the hair. I keep brushing it so as to make it look really smooth. So right here I'm taking out a piece of hair extension so as to help support the weave. So I'm just gonna like plait it with my hair at the back, like so. So when plaiting with your hair, you really want to make it that braid strong, because if it's not, I promise you your weave is gonna fall off. Like if it's not well supported, it's gonna fall off. So you really want to make that braid strong and tight. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take my weave, and always remember the pin goes in first on your hair, like so. And also remember to ensure that the pins are really hooked on your hair so as to avoid falling off later on. And the next thing you want to do is to draw the strings really tight, like not really tight though, but tight enough so as to avoid loosening later and falling off. So as you can see here, I'm taking the ribbon and I'm putting it on the part where the strings are visible, so as to cover that up. I also took a small portion of the weave to ensure the strings are not visible on the hair. So after putting on my weave, I like to go back with the hair mousse so as to really ensure my hair is soft and smooth and also locked down to avoid looking really messy and rough. And here I'm just going in with the brush again because like I said earlier on, I have short hair and I wouldn't want the ponytail to look rough and messy. And here I'm just trying to fix the baby hair that I don't have. Funny. So yeah, I just keep brushing it and making it look smooth as possible. And so far this is how the hair is looking and I'm loving it, as you can see. So I'm just gonna take a hairspray I got from a friend and I'm just gonna spray that on my hair to make sure everything is intact. And yeah, this is how the hair is looking like. This is a finished look. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I really would have loved to put on makeup, but I'm really not feeling myself now and I really don't want to put on makeup because I'm just feeling too lazy and I really I'm not feeling like putting on makeup. So and I'm not going out, I don't have anywhere to go to. I'm just doing this because of video sake. And yeah, if you find this tutorial interesting and you loved it, please give this a thumbs up and yeah, leave a comment down below what you think about the hairstyle. If you want me to do any kind of video tutorial, outfit ideas, story time, whatever you want me to do, just leave a comment down below. I'm gonna do that. And please hit the subscribe button, the red button down below, to subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notification bell on so you get alerted when I post when I put on a new video. And yeah, please share this video, tell a friend to watch and like, and also subscribe to my channel, support your girl. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate everybody who has subscribed to my channel. And yeah, thanks. Thank you guys. I'm really feeling this hair though. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned because I'll be posting more videos soon. So yeah, stay tuned, turn on your post notification bell on, and yeah, peace.
It is the motion